Welcome. In this demo, I'll walk you through setting up a new home, connecting the required appliances, and ensuring everything is running smoothly. Let's get started with the installation process. Welcome to the Shipshape Installer dashboard. Tap Setup New Home to begin. Enter the homeowner's email for creating their Shipshape account and optional phone number. You can also generate a QR code for the homeowner to instantly download the app. Tap Continue to proceed. Next, we need to enter the homeowner's address to link the system to the correct property. Tap Use Current Location for autofill or manually enter the address, city, state, and zip. Verify the accuracy and adjust the map pin if needed. Once confirmed, tap Next to continue. By default, the home is named after the street address, but feel free to change it to something the homeowner prefers. You can update the name later if needed. Tap Save once done. Great job, the home setup is complete. Tap Continue to start installing Shipshape and setting up the solution. You can also tap Tour Install Process for a guided walkthrough. Now let's install the first solution for this home and connect appliances. Tap Start Installation to begin. Choose a solution based on the homeowner's needs. Now choose the appliances you want to connect for the selected solution. By default, all available devices are set to 1. You can adjust this later if needed. Once ready, tap Add Solution to continue. Let's connect a gateway to manage the selected appliances. If a gateway is already connected, it will appear here. Otherwise, select one from the list below. Let's start by selecting Shipshape Gen 2. Tap Add to continue. Plug the gateway into power and connect it to the router with an Ethernet cable. Look for an orange and green light on the back to confirm the connection. Tap Confirm and proceed. Now, let's link the gateway. Scan the QR code on the device or its packaging to register it. If needed, you can enter the gateway ID manually. The gateway is now connecting. This may take up to 15 minutes. For a smooth setup, do not unplug the gateway or close the app. Make sure the device stays connected to power and the internet. Great job! The gateway has been added successfully. For documentation, please take a picture of the installed gateway and its surroundings. Once done, tap Complete Gateway Setup to move forward. Now let's set up the connected appliances. We'll start with the sump pump and go through 4 key steps: creating an appliance profile, connecting devices, placing sensors, and testing. Before placing any sensors, it's recommended to connect all devices first. You can switch between appliances using the tabs at the top. Need to adjust the list. You can remove an appliance, tap the bin icon next to it. New appliances could be added by tapping the blue plus button and selecting from the available options. Now, let's proceed by filling in the appliance profile. Tap on Sump Pump, then select Appliance Profile, or simply press Continue to move forward. Fill in the details for the sump pump to complete its profile. Select the location, manufacturer, and model, then enter the serial number if available. Provide measurements, including the size of the basin, diameter, and vertical height of the discharge pipe. Optionally, take pictures of the manufacturer plate, appliance location, and whole room view for documentation. Once done, tap Continue to proceed to device connection. Tap Connect Devices to begin. Now let's connect the required devices to the sump pump. Tap the plus icon to connect a water sensor and smart plug. Let's start with the water sensor by clicking the plus icon. Choose Pair New Device or select an existing one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Once paired, select Water Sensor 7 Pro and tap Select to link it to the gateway. Now let's connect the smart plug to the sump pump. Tap the plus icon to add a smart plug. Choose Pair New Device or select an existing one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Once paired, select Smart Switch 6. Tap Continue to link it to the gateway. Both the water sensor and smart plug now are linked to the sump pump. Now that the devices are connected, it's time to place them in the correct locations. Tap Place Devices to proceed. Let's position the connected devices correctly. Select Place Water Sensor 7 Pro to position the sensor. Follow the instructions to install the sensor correctly. Tap Continue once the sensor is placed. Take a photo of the installed sensor to document its location. Add any relevant notes if needed. These will be visible to the homeowner, so use professional language. Tap mark as place to continue. Now, let's position the smart plug. Follow the same process as the water sensor. With devices placed, it's time to ensure everything is working correctly. Tap Test Appliance to begin. All devices are online and functioning correctly. Tap Continue to finalize the setup or restart test if needed. For the dehumidifier, the setup process is the same as for the sump pump. Since the process is identical, we'll skip the detailed steps here and proceed. The setup is almost complete. To complete the setup, fill out the post-install report. Now let's complete the post-install report. Upload pictures for the gateway, sump pump, and dehumidifier. Add any identified issues if applicable. Provide installation notes and recommendations. Once completed, tap Continue to finalize the report. Optionally, you can fill out the post-install survey. The Shipshape team would be grateful for your feedback. Now let's tap Finish to complete the installation process. Great, you've finished the setup. The installed solution is now available in the Appliances panel under both the Rooms and Systems tabs. The crawl space and basement waterproofing solution is now available to manage and monitor from either tab. Shipshape, empowering dealers, protecting homes.